Well, good morning, and welcome back to another lovely video. So, we've just popped out to do something else, and we've just come across some lovely little classic cars parked up. So Keely's just gone into the cafe to go and grab a cuppa. We're just going to take a walk around these lovely classics. Yeah, so it's just nice to come across these. Didn't expect this at all. Did not expect this at all. Look at that. Left-hand drive as well. How lovely. Absolutely drop dead. Gorgeous. And I love my classics anyway, so coming across this is just absolutely ideal. But we're here for two reasons. I'm going to take a picture of them two together because they're stunning. And so is that little Fiat. So let's quickly spin round and we've got an E-Type Jag. 4.2. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. That is absolutely bloody stunning. Yeah, what a nice little surprise for me and Keely today. To pop out to do one thing and come across these absolutely wonderful, gorgeous vehicles. Look at that. How stunning that is. Beautiful. You got a nice, gorgeous Merc. Tell you what, the interior on this is absolutely stunning. Look at that. That is beautiful inside, everybody. Got a bit of walnut dash going off as well. Not bad at all. Beautiful. Yeah, surprising what you come across when you come out anywhere. But like I said, we're here for two reasons today. We're not just here for these, because of course we did not know about these, but I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad we managed to pull in the car park, and I'm glad we've spotted these. So, if anybody's like me and you love your classic cars, then you've got an added bonus. Proper little classics. Look at that. Beautiful. And of course, Mustang. Look at that inside there, everybody. Look at the walnut dash going off in that. That is beautiful. Do like the seats. They are absolutely stunning, them. Definitely. Stunning. And you got a little Spitfire 1500. That is absolutely gorgeous as well. Let's bring the camera in. Look at that. How stunning that is. And there's another little classic just over the other side we're going to go and take a look at as well. But yeah. Absolutely bloody stunning just to come across these. And especially coming across a drop dead gorgeous Mustang. Anyway, we're going to go over there to that little one in a minute as well. But we've just come across this great big gorgeous Jag as well. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. That is XJ8SE. Nice. And then there's another one over here. And there's a little MX just over the other side, so we'll take a look at that as well. Absolutely stunning. Yes. Footpath to Rock Springs. I didn't even know about that either. But hey, you never know. Oh, it's a Rover. It's a Rover, everyone. Didn't know. Stunning though. Look at that. How beautiful that is. Anyway, so yeah, so like we said, random classic cars to find. Absolutely stunning. Right, I'll just come over here because there's a little Mazda as well. So we're going to take a quick look at the Mazda and then we're going to go off and do what we're here to do today. Yeah, very, very nice. Yes, lovely Mustang. Citroen 2 CV. Yep, nice to just come across these. They're very nice. Right, so I'm going to wrap it up. So like I said, there's something else to do. Take a picture of the Mustang as well. Absolutely stunning. So right, bye for now. See you on the next one.